Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to take some notes on parallel lines. All right, so we have a picture here and we have lines A and B as well as C and D. And we want to know, are these lines parallel? Well, first thing we need to know is what is the definition of parallel lines? Well, the definition is two coplanar lines that never intersect each other. Let's talk about coplanar for a second. Coplanar means two lines that are on the same plane. Now, why is this important? Because we could have two lines that are on two separate planes that never touch each other, but they're not necessarily parallel to each other. So the lines need to be on the same plane, and then they never intersect each other. Okay. Well, how do we find out if two lines are parallel to each other? Well, the first thing we need to do is write down their equations. So let's go ahead and do that. AB here, I got y equals, we got a slope of up 2 to the right 3, so that's 2/3 x, and a y-intercept of 3. And for CD, we have y equals up 2 over 3, so again 2/3 x, and then a y-intercept of plus 6. And then the next thing it asks us is, what do you notice about these two equations? Well, the easiest one is that they have the same slope. Same slope. All right, and the other thing that I will say that I notice is that they have different y-intercepts. Now, why am I going to write this down? Different y-intercepts. The reason why I write this down is because if the y-intercepts were the same, then they would be the same exact line. So in other words, CD, if that had a y-intercept of 3, then CD would be right on top of AB, and therefore they would never intersect because they would intersect all the time. So the y-intercepts need to be different numbers. All right. So, well, what does this mean? They have the same slope. So what does that mean? Well, that means that the lines are increasing or decreasing at the same rate. Now, why is this important? Well, imagine you and your friend, you're on a staircase. You're on the bottom step, and your friend is 2 steps ahead of you. You start walking up the staircase at the same time, at the same rate. You're never gonna be able to reach your friend until you reach the top of the staircase, right? Well, that's the same thing that happens when two lines have the same slope. They are increasing at the same rate at the same time, so therefore, they are never going to intersect each other. So they are never going to intersect each other. So therefore, we have two coplanar lines that will never intersect each other. So therefore, they are parallel. So in conclusion, parallel lines have, what do we look for? They have the same slope. That's the key we're looking for, same slope. All right, let's head down to some example problems. What can I ask you? Well, they can give us one equation right here, and we want to know a line that is parallel to it and passes through another point. Well, like we just said, we need to find the slope of our original line. So let's put this guy into y equals mx plus b form. I see that all of our coefficients have a 3 in it. So divide that 3 out, we get 3x plus y equals 4. And then subtract 3x on both sides, we get y is equal to negative 3x plus 4. So my slope for my original line is negative 3. So I know that the line that my new line that passes through the point that they gave us has to have a slope of -3. So all I need to do is plug into y equals mx plus b and find my b value because I know all of the other ones. My y value is the -1 from the point that they gave me. My slope is -3. My x is also -1 from the point that they gave me. And now I just solve for b. -1 equals +3. Subtract 3 on both sides. And I get b is equal to -4. So the line that is parallel to the first line that they gave me that passes through the point -1, -1 is y equals -3x minus 4. All right. Another question we can ask you is we give you two lines and we give you the points of those two lines. Okay, so we want to know, determine if these two lines are parallel. Well, what did we just say? We need to look at the slopes of those lines. So we just need to find the slopes between A and B and C and D. So AB, the slope formula, let's recall, is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So for AB, I got 6 minus 2 on the top, 5 minus a -5 on the bottom. 6 minus 2 is 4. 5 minus a -5 turns into 5 plus 5, so that's a 10. And reduce that down, I get 2/5. And now let's do CD. I have my slope is going to be equal to 2 minus a -1. And then I have 4 minus a -2. So 2 minus a -1 turns into 2 plus 1, which is 3. 4 minus -2 turns into 4 plus 2, which is 6. Oh, that's a 6. And reduce that down, we get 1/2. So they are not, the slopes are not the same. So let's just write a conclusion here. Slopes are not the same. Therefore, AB is not parallel to CD. There we go. All right. Thank you for watching. And as always, be safe and be healthy, everybody. I'll see you next time. Bye.